Hey everybody, welcome to the broadcast. That's right, I am still alive and very, very active. It's just been a really busy year. I just kind of took a break from making videos, but I saw an opportunity here to give just a couple of quick tips on tailgating stone with a dump truck. As you all can probably see, I've got some power lines overhead, and you're going to run into obstacles anytime you're dump trucking, and you've got to be able to raise your bed high enough for material to come out. So a good quick rule of thumb: if your obstacles run straight overhead, whether it be power lines or limbs, what have you, what I will do is I'll find the middle of where I'm going to be spreading the track, and wherever that line crosses over the center, I'm going to start the spread going that way when that line crosses over the center of my tailgate. That way, the next load, I'll be able to turn around and spread going that way. Just letting you guys know I'm still here, still thinking about you, and am planning on making more videos in the future. We love you guys. See you next time.
In order to improve this road, I added 17 tons of ABC to every 75 feet of road. That spread didn't go really well, so the first thing I got to do is get it even. Next, you'll see me drop off the left here, and that establishes our ground to the left, and then the right side. This will allow water to drain off to the sides instead of resting on the road. Here we're putting down another load of the ABC to do a whole nother stretch of the drive. Typically, I like to add at least 4 inches of material to a driveway, even if it's in good shape. That allows for plenty of room to put a crown into it. You may notice here the driveway curves around to the left. I will almost always slope the entire road just a little bit to the inside of that curve. That way, when people are driving through it, if they're traveling at any kind of a speed, it cuts down on gravel migration to the outside of the curve. On a flat road like this, contrary to popular belief, compaction with the truck is all you need. Hopefully this helped. Have a great day.